Hey, it's Tim. Today we got a 91 Dodge Stealth. Mitsubishi 3.0. I've been doing the lifters on it. I figured I'd show me doing a couple. These are the lifters right down here. Right here, you got the little rocker follower right here on it. And I would suggest getting this tool, and I will show you why here in just a second, because it goes down in here and you can depress the valve. And also you have, to get them all lined up, you got just a half-inch drive extension on there. They got a little hole here for you to do it. So you turn the motor over until you're on the cam. Your lobes are off the rocker there. And I'll show you, I'll do a couple right here and show you what it looks like. Alright, I'm gonna do the best I can with one hand. I'll try to get in here you can see it the best. Alright, this is one right here. This is your tool. Slips right besides the cam and the rocker, and you can bend that valve. So get you a better light there. It's just hard to get light in there. Alright, bend it. See, bends that valve down like that, and then we'll be able to take that rocker off. Try to get you the best shot I can. All right, bend that down, get that rocker off like that, pops right off. Get your little magnet, pick up that rocker. Then you want to pull up the lifter here. You can use whatever you want. I just use a pair of pliers. Comes right out. Got my other one soaking. Got the new one soaking in oil. Slide it down in there. It should just slide down there like that. And make sure your hands are good and dry, because it's a pain in the butt. Now you repeat the process, but you're gonna be putting it on. So get your little lip there lined up on this. Push it on there like that. Then push down. Okay. Sometimes she wants to be a little devil. Just gotta work with her. That should be on there. Good. So sure don't move around or anything like that. Make sure it's good and freed up. Move it around. If you worry about it, just kind of undo it and move it around. Make sure it's on there good. And then of course you go to the next one. Alright, quiet as a mouse now. If you got one making racket and lifters, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.